Gerunds and Infinitives. A gerund is a verb in continuous or progressive form that functions as a noun. As it is in progressive form, it always ends in ing. Gerunds may be a subject complement, an object, which may be direct or indirect, or an object of a preposition. Look at the following examples. Swimming is his passion. Swimming acts as the subject of the sentence. Mike's first love is swimming. Swimming is the subject complement of is. Elena enjoys swimming. Swimming is the direct object of the verb enjoys. She gives swimming much time and effort. Swimming is the indirect object. Unlike Elena, Jacob is not devoted to swimming. Swimming is the object of the preposition to. An infinitive is a verb form that acts as a noun, adjective, or adverb. It is formed using the preposition to plus the base form of a verb, as in these examples: to play, to pray, to study, and to love. Here are some examples of the functions of infinitives. To study is his greatest passion. The noun here serves as a subject. To act is Mike's ultimate dream. The noun here serves as a subject. Jim loves to cook. The noun here serves as a direct object. Michael always brings a book to read every time he travels. The adjective here modifies the book. There are places to see in Bohol. The adjective here modifies places. Mark traveled to Singapore to visit Rina. The adverb here explains why Mark traveled to Singapore. Missy trained hard to win in the contest. The adverb here explains why Missy trained hard. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you!